Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. My name is Rocky, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Windows 10 ask before deleting files or folders, or in other words, show or hide delete confirmation in Windows 10. So let's get started. So now let's take a quick look at what happens when I try to delete a folder right now. So simply right-click a folder that you wish to delete and click on the delete option, and Windows 10 will delete it without any confirmation. Now we will fix this behavior by forcing Windows 10 to ask for your permission before it deletes a file or a folder. Simply right-click the recycle bin on your desktop and then click on Properties. And then check this checkbox that says Display Delete Confirmation dialog and click on Apply and click on OK. Now let's try to delete this folder. And as you can see, now Windows 10 is asking for confirmation. If you do not wish to delete it, simply click No. Or if you wish to delete it, simply click the Yes button and Windows 10 is going to delete it and put the folder in recycle bin. So that's how easy it is to configure Windows 10 to ask for your permission before it deletes a file or any folder.
If this video was helpful, please show your support by leaving a like, comment, and share the video on social media. Subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.